Alright guys, John here bringing you another episode by Prime Day. I'm going to be doing something really exciting, I should say actually tonight. Some coilovers, as you can see here, for the BRZ. We're going to be going with the BC Racing, the BR series. Did a little bit of research on them, and by a little bit I mean a lot of research. So I'm just going to go ahead and go with these. Oh, and these have two versions. They have the extreme low version and this version. The BRZ is my daily driver, so I don't want to slam it that much. I just want to reduce that wheel gap to like one finger, if not anything. It's just, you know, I don't want to scrape everywhere. It is my daily. I don't want to mess it up, so you know what I mean. I'll go with these. Today is Wednesday, December the 26th. Reason I show you is because I do want you to see how long it takes for these people to ship something and for you to receive it. So, alright guys, so that is ordered. I'll get back to you guys whenever they get here, so. Wow, this is just, I can't believe it.
Oh yeah. That's a nice color too.
Now these front ones, part of the reason why I got them, the front come with camber plates. So you can adjust the camber on the front. The rear I will still need a camber kit, but I don't think I want to camber the rear. Nothing too crazy, just some carbon fiber trims for the inside of my car. You know, just because I believe, again, the interior is everything, so got a couple of things. Oh, they gave me a Laffy Taffy. They always do this.
Is that Subi Speed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you buy from them, they will give you a Laffy Taffy with your purchase. So this is for where you put the windows down. That right there, drivers, passengers. This is for the middle panel or whatever. This is for where the seat heaters are, the buttons. I don't use that, so I'll just cover it. And this is for the cup holder. This right here is for, I guess you could call it where the clock is. Just goes all across.
The dashboard.
Huh?
The head unit.
No, not the head. It's right under the head unit. And then this is two pieces. It's taped together for some reason. Why did they do this? This right here is, I don't know what to call it. There's a piece on the left side right under my steering wheel where you can control the lighting inside of the car. Some buttons there. This goes there, and this is for the steering wheel. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this for the next video. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be really quick and simple, probably like a 2 or 3 minute video. But yeah, go ahead and like, share, subscribe if you like what you saw, and we'll see you next time.
We know to go. Squad up, never roll alone.